everyone, welcome back to UB Plane. Today we're going to be making those viral squishies. Have you ever seen those squishies? And they're so hard to get, like squishies, like cheese squishies. Needles, they're so hard to get. Today we're going to be making them. First, we're going to be getting a balloon. I'm just going to test. I never watched the video how to do these experiments. We're gonna get a little rice. This is how to make a crunch ball. So it's a crunchy. Any type of balloon color, and then put it on a funnel so it's easier. Do not eat the rice, Raisa. So you get opening. Put it on the funnel hole. Okay. Good. Then get some rice. This might be a little messy. Then you just pour the rice in. And now just move it like this. And it slowly goes in the balloon. This might take a while. Kitty. See? Filling up a little. This might get messy. I would recommend doing this outside, just doing it outside because it's really hot out there. It's like a heat wave. It's like 110 right now. Oh my. I just accidentally let go of it. Okay, you don't eat that thing. Stop it. She's kind of good. No, maybe you're supposed to see, look. It's like nice and squishy. You're gonna put it in your mouth and suck out the air. Now it's like this. See? Oh, that's nice. And then, nodded. Now like this. Yes. No. Mine. Oh. Perfect. Okay. Once you nodded, turns out like this. So this balloon, it's like crunchy. Should be no air, maybe a little, because you can't really no air. And now it's nice. If you like crunchy, it feels really nice. Rice texture. You can use rice. Oh, kitty. Does not touch the guys. Okay, now we're gonna be doing slime. Got some Dollar Tree honey bee slime. You know the viral honey. If you haven't seen on YouTube, there's this shorts honey keyboard. And I thought it was supposed to feel like that. Oh, it's really nice though. Only $1 too. So it's gonna be a long time. So I'm gonna have to somehow put it in there. Guys, anything that's squishy, just put in a balloon and turn it into squishy. Yeah, I'm not doing this on. It's gonna take us a day. I don't think we can. Okay, I think it'll work if you put some baking soda in a balloon. I think that would be nice. Because baking soda is kind of like fluffy. And if it doesn't, I'll put some water, like a droplet. It makes it better. Get the rice out. Okay, it's out. Let's put the funnel. Kitty, no. Boom. Got the funnel. Like this. Kitty. Here, sniff it. Where's mine? Good. Funnel. So we get this. Baking soda. See this? If you can see that, baking soda. Kitty. No. I just put it in there. Now it doesn't really go in. to the top of the funnel of the hole. Gotta line it up good too. Oh, it's kind of going. Come on. Oh, it's too much fun. I'm gonna shake it because I did that with the rice and cut. Oh, yes, we can. Shake it. Kind of feels pretty nice. Dusty with the baking soda here. Oh, it's actually, it feels like a needle. If you add baking soda into a balloon, it feels like a needle actually. Why does it feel as good? Okay, I'm gonna put a lot so it's like feels a little better. It's a lot. I put in the rice. It's fine, it's fine. Okay. No. Now the balloon is like this. Squishy, right? If I suck out the air, would it be there? Don't ever try that. I blew in it, tried to get the air out, and I just got a bunch of baking soda in my mouth. I just hope I don't get poisoned. Is baking soda edible? Just realized. Isn't that like a cleaning you can use for? I don't know. Guys, tell me in the comments, is baking soda edible? If it's not, I'm cooked. Girl, it's like so foamy. It's like not. Almost done. Come on. Oh, guys, can't make the video too long because I'm filming with a phone right now. It's on a tripod. And my phone is like at 20%. And I didn't charge it. Still tastes baking soda. Oh, that feels nice. Baking soda in a balloon. So when you squish like this, it's hard, but like this, I'm gonna use this every day. Oh, you can also get Play-Doh, any color Play-Doh, and put it in a balloon. I did that already. It took me so long, but it turned out really good. I'm gonna do this for a thumbnail. Let's hope this gives me that thumbnail. Okay. Should I try one more time and putting it's stretchy slime in there? I'm gonna try putting the slime in there one more time. My Sphynx is catching a fly right now. What's she doing? Okay. How are you gonna put this in? What if I get baking soda and rice? Let's try. Purple. Okay, we're gonna get a funnel. I still taste the baking soda. Does not taste good. It tastes sour. Guys, if you never tried baking soda, I just tried for you, so it tastes sour. I've not tried. Okay. Got it on the funnel. Boop. We're gonna add a little baking soda. All of it. All the baking soda. Mixed with a little rice. See how that turns out. I think it'll be like a crunch ball mixed with baking soda. Like soft crunch ball. Oh my. want to be here for our cleanup. Kitty, do not eat the rice. Working that good. Come on. Kitty. Oh, you can look yourself. This is... Bro, I'm so dumb. How did I even still? No. Let's not eat the rice. Okay, it's kind of getting filled in. Kitty, stop. We're not eating rice today. Your cat can eat it. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, it's like a baking soda. Mixed with a little teeny tiny bit of rice. I'm gonna add 1 drop of water in the balloon. I wanna see how that will turn out. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Be right back. Got some water in the cap. Gonna try putting it. It's not drop it, it's fine. And we're gonna add a little bit more. Cause I don't think that'll do anything. Okay, that should do something. Oh, it's kind of making the baking soda hard. Oh, it's kind of cool. I had too much rice, now I can't tie it. Can I? No. Let me see. And it's so slimy because and the slime I touched right here. I need napkin. Get it. Keep on dropping rice on the floor. I don't know if you can hear, but when I tap it, there's like rice on the table and it's falling off. Kitty? Rice is like speechless. She's like, where's all this white stuff on the ground? Which is rice. But guys, you're gonna be here for a long time. I'm just gonna be the whole times thing. Wait, I'm gonna go get something. Like, Kitty? No. Kitty, I'll be right back, guys. I'm back. I got a napkin. Second. Show my hands. Now it should be easier. Oh yeah, it's way easier. Come on. Yes! Finally. It's like 2 minutes. I bet that was 2 minutes. Okay. So we got baking soda in a balloon. Pretty nice. Crunch ball. Make sure to suck the air out. So it would be like this. And there's a little teeny tiny air in there. Yeah. This isn't really stretchy. Well, you can actually stretch it. Look, it goes into shape. It's kind of cool, right? Good. See? It's small. Boom. And this is baking soda with rice and a little bit water. music, it feels like a harder needle to fuse. Never had needle before? Super expensive. And they're all out of stock. Guys, tell me in my next vid if I should go ahead. Tell me in the comments what else I should do. Like, should I? Oh, I'll be taking apart the Xbox Part 2 tomorrow. Hopefully. But yeah, tell me if I should do a Part 2. I'm doing these. I'll probably do a Part 2 on making squishy, so it's pretty fun. And yeah. See you later. Subscribe to You Be Playing, and bye. And peace.